have a really nice thyme plant here that I'm fixing to demonstrate how to harvest. And it's really, really compact and really nice. And it doesn't hurt to trim back quite a bit at this time of year. But what I want to do is come in here and cut a little handful. And because thyme has such tiny, tiny little aggravating leaves, you know, the way I do it, you can put it off on newspaper and dry the branches individually, like that. But it's really hard to pull all these leaves off and dry them individually. It's a lot easier to get them dry and then crunch them off. So what we're going to do is just get like a little bundle of this, and then we're going to get a rubber band and put around the stems. Rubber bands are excellent for this, better than string or rope or something, because as the herbs dry, these stems are going to contract, and the rubber band will contract with them, and you won't have them falling down. So now you're ready to put this in a dark, hot, dry place so that it can dry in your attic or in a dark room or something like that, or closet. And then in a few weeks or less, depending on how hot your room is, you'll be ready to go to the next step. Our thyme is good and dry now, so it's time to do something with the thyme. And we have had it up on a little rubber band, holding it like in a little bundle, up in a hot, dry place. So now we're ready to remove these tiny little leaves as best we can, which is a lot easier when this stuff is dry than trying to do it when it's fresh. Oh yeah, see, that's working really good. You get all these tiny little leaves and they're really, really aromatic. Try to keep them, you know, whole best you can, which they look like they're coming off pretty good. And one thing you can do that I like to do with my herb, my little branches, you know, when I get them all off, I put them in my, like if we're outside with a fire late in the fall, throw the little branches on your little fire, and it really smells good. So keep all of your old herb branches once you've taken all the leaves off. So try to keep them whole, like I say, and then when you get ready to use them in your cooking, you can crunch them up real fine then. And it'll keep their flavor better if you can do that. So all right, we have got quite a little bit here. Nice little jar you can put them in. You can recycle your herb or spice jars or little fruit jars or little jelly jars. But just make sure it's got a tight fitting lid and store it in a kind of cool and dark place, away from heat and away from light.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.